Hello friends, welcome back to EC Geek EC. Today we are going to learn about bipolar junction transistor through a problem. So let's see the problem. What is the problem? We have to find out for these given diagrams whether it is this device is NPN or PNP, bipolar junction transistor. And second part, according to the voltages applies to the terminal, we have to find out in which region the transistor is operating, that is cutoff region or active region or the saturation region. So let's move to the solution part. First question, we know this vertical line before this, the terminal is connected to this is known as base, okay, and where this arrow sign is represented, that is emitter, and opposite one is the collector where no arrow is connected. So let's see, this arrow represent, this is emitter terminal, so counterpart will become collector. Now this arrow direction also represent the flow of current direction. So from here we can see that it is the current is flowing from collector to emitter. Since the current is flowing from collector to emitter, this transistor is NPN. So direction of flow of the current is collector to emitter, hence the transistor is NPN. Another way to find out whether it is NPN or PNP, if the arrow is outward from the device, it means NPN. If the arrow is inward to the device, that is PNP. Two ways, but it is easier to see the direction of current collector to emitter. So this is NPN. Let's move to the solution part. The type is NPN. Now the collector is this one, so collector voltage is 2 volt, emitter is this one, emitter voltage is 1 volt, base is this one, so base voltage is 0 volt, so which is written here, Vc is equal to 2 volt, V is equal to 1 volt, Vb is equal to 0 volt. Since it is NPN transistor, so NPN, so P to N, base to emitter voltage we have to find out, so that we can predict or conclude about this emitter base junction, whether it is forward bias or reverse bias. So we have to calculate VBE. What is VBE? VB minus VE. VB is equal to 0 and VE is equal to 1. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1 volt. Minus 1 volt means the applied voltage across this PN junction is negative 1 volt. It means the device is this junction is in reverse bias. Now see this collector and base junction. Since it is N, it is P, so we will calculate VBC, so that if it is greater than 0.7, it is in forward bias. If it is VBC is less than 0.7, it is reverse bias. So VBC is equal to VB minus VC. What is VB? 0 volt. VC is equal to 2 volt. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2 volt, which is less than 0.7 volt. So collector base junction also in reverse bias. Both junctions are in reverse bias. It means that NPN transistor shown in the figure with corresponding bias is in cutoff region. Now move to the next problem. Next problem, arrow direction is here. It means this is the emitter junction. Opposite one is the collector, and we know before this whatever the terminal is connected, the name is base. Okay, so emitter, arrow and base. Another and first way is the flow of direct current. In which direction? From the arrow we can say it is flowing from emitter to collector. So emitter to collector. For NPN it was collector to emitter, but PNP it is emitter to collector, hence this device is PNP transistor. Another way, arrow is going inside the device, it means this device is PNP. So type is PNP. What is VC? Collector voltage 0.6 volt. What is emitter voltage? 1 volt. Base voltage 0 volt. Now this is PNP transistor. For PNP we will find VEB, not VBE. We will find VEB. So VE minus VB is equal to VEB. That is 1 minus 0, 1 volt, which is greater than 0.7. It means the emitter base junction is forward bias. Now this collector base PNP, so VCB, we will calculate VCB. Unlike in NPN transistor, we calculate VBC. So VCB is equal to VC minus VB, 0.6 minus 0. So 0.6 is clearly less than 0.7. It means collector base junction is reverse bias. When the emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias, this particular transistor is operate in active region, irrespective of type of transistor, whether it is NPN or PNP. For both transistor, if the emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias, transistor is operate in active region. Here this transistor is PNP, hence PNP transistor is in active region. Come to the next question. Again the arrow direction is inside, so and arrow direction represent the emitter terminal, opposite one is the collector terminal, and this one is, we know that, base terminal. So emitter, collector, and direction of flow of the current. Direction of flow of current is from emitter to collector. It means this is an PNP transistor. Remember, emitter to collector PNP, collector to emitter NPN. So type is PNP. What is VC? Collector voltage is 1.4 volt, emitter voltage is 3 volt, base voltage is this time 2 volt. Okay, now for PNP transistor we evaluate VEB, VE minus VB. VE is 3 and VB is 2, 1 volt. 1 volt is VEB is greater than 0.7. It means emitter base junction is in forward bias. Again for collector base junction, VCB, VC minus VB. VC is equal to 1.4, VB is equal to minus 2. So minus 0.6, VCB is less than 0.7. It means this collector base junction is in reverse bias. Collector base junction is in reverse bias. We already saw in the previous problem, if the emitter base junction is in forward bias and collector base junction is in reverse bias, our transistor operates in active region. If both junction is in forward bias, our transistor operates in saturation region. Now they come to the next problem, that is the last one. Here emitter terminal represented by arrow direction. So this is the emitter. Now opposite one is the collector, and the flow of direction of the current is from collector to emitter. So this transistor is NPN. For NPN transistor we evaluate VBE and VBC. So NPN, VC is equal to 2.5, V is equal to 1 volt and VB is equal to 2 volt. So using this terminal voltage we will evaluate VBE. What is VB? VB minus VE. VBE VB is equal to 2 volt, V is equal to 1 volt. So 2 minus 1 is, that is 1. 1 is greater than 0.7 volt. So it is clear that this emitter base junction is in forward bias. Again VBC. Why VBC? Because NPN. So always we evaluate P2N voltage. So we can easily calculate it from VB minus VC. 2 minus 2.5, that is 0.5. 0.5 is clearly less than 0.7. It means the collector base junction is in reverse bias. Okay, so when the emitter base junction is in forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias, our transistor operates in active region. Another case is there, if both junction are in the forward bias, that region is known as saturation, which is not given in this problem. But if you create give some potential like this, and this become, let's say, 1 volt, and it is clearly greater than 0.7, hence this will become forward bias. Hence when the both junction is in forward bias, our device operates in saturation region. Thank you. If you have any doubt you want to ask, or you want a video solution for that, please join our Telegram channel or post in the comment and provide the question there. You will get the solution as soon as possible. So thank you. Please like, subscribe and comment how you are feeling about this lectures series using problem and solution. Thank you.